Welcome to our comprehensive review of the best water hoses on the market. Are you tired of dealing with tangled, leaky hoses that kink at every turn? Do you want a reliable watering solution that makes gardening a breeze? Well, you're in luck. We've tested and compared the top water hoses available, and we're here to share our findings with you. From soaker hoses to expandable options, and from traditional garden hoses to innovative retractable reels, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and discover which hose will be the perfect fit for your gardening needs. 7. H2O Works Garden Flat Soaker Hose. Let's start with the H2O Works Garden Flat Soaker Hose, a popular choice for those looking to conserve water and provide targeted irrigation to their plants. This soaker hose is designed to slowly release water along its length, making it ideal for garden beds, rows of vegetables, and landscaping areas. During our testing, we found that the hose did an adequate job of distributing water evenly along its 50-foot length. One of the standout features of this soaker hose is its flat design, which allows it to lay flush against the ground and be easily covered with mulch. This not only helps to conserve water by reducing evaporation, but also keeps the hose out of sight for a tidier garden appearance. The hose is made from a recycled material that's designed to be durable and resistant to UV rays, which is a plus for long-term use. However, we did encounter some issues during our testing. While the hose performed well on flat surfaces, we found that it struggled to maintain consistent water distribution on sloped areas. The water tended to pool at the lowest points, leaving some sections of the garden underwatered. Additionally, the hose showed a tendency to kink when we tried to maneuver it around tight corners or obstacles in the garden. Another drawback we noticed was the hose's propensity to clog over time. After a few weeks of use, we observed that some of the tiny pores along the hose had become blocked, likely due to mineral deposits from hard water. This required occasional cleaning to maintain optimal performance, which might be a hassle for some users. 6. Pocket Hose Silver Bullet 2.0 Expandable Garden Hose. Next up is the Pocket Hose Silver Bullet 2.0 Expandable Garden Hose, a product that promises to revolutionize the way we store and use garden hoses. This expandable hose is designed to grow from a compact size to its full length when water pressure is applied, and then shrink back down for easy storage when you're done watering. It's an intriguing concept that caught our attention, so we were eager to put it to the test. One of the most impressive features of the Pocket Hose Silver Bullet 2.0 is its lightweight design. At just a fraction of the weight of traditional garden hoses, it's incredibly easy to carry around the yard. The hose also comes with a spray nozzle that offers multiple spray patterns, which we found useful for different watering tasks, from gentle misting for delicate plants to a powerful jet for cleaning outdoor surfaces. During our initial tests, the hose performed well. It expanded quickly when we turned on the water and retracted to its compact size when we were done. The outer fabric seemed durable, and the brass fittings gave the impression of quality. We appreciated how little space it took up when stored, making it a potentially great option for those with limited storage. However, as we continued our testing over several weeks, we began to notice some concerning issues. The hose's expanding and contracting feature, while convenient, seemed to put a lot of stress on the material. After repeated use, we observed some wear and tear at the connection points, which made us question its long-term durability. Number 5. Eley Polyurethane Garden Hose. Moving on to number 5 on our list, we have the Eley Polyurethane Garden Hose. This hose immediately caught our attention with its robust construction and premium feel. Eley has a reputation for producing high-quality garden equipment, and this hose certainly lives up to that standard. The first thing we noticed when testing the Eley Polyurethane Garden Hose was its exceptional flexibility. Despite its sturdy construction, the hose was surprisingly easy to maneuver around obstacles in the garden. It coiled smoothly without kinking, which is a significant advantage over many traditional garden hoses we've used in the past. One of the standout features of this hose is its durability. The polyurethane material is incredibly tough, resisting abrasions, cuts, and punctures far better than standard vinyl hoses. We dragged it over rough concrete, gravel, and even some sharp garden tools, accidentally of course, and it showed no signs of damage. This level of durability gives us confidence that this hose could last for many years, even with frequent use. The Eley hose also impressed us with its performance in extreme temperatures. We tested it in both hot summer conditions and chilly early mornings, and it maintained its flexibility and didn't become brittle or crack. This makes it a great all-season option for gardeners in various climates. Another feature we appreciated was the high-quality brass fittings. They connected securely to our spigot and various attachments without any leaks. The crush-proof design of these fittings adds another layer of durability to the overall product. While the Eley polyurethane garden hose comes with a higher price tag than some other options on our list, we believe its superior quality and longevity make it a worthwhile investment for serious gardeners or those tired of replacing cheaper hoses every season. 4. Flexi Hose Lightweight Expandable Garden Hose. At number 4, we have the Flexi Hose Lightweight Expandable Garden Hose, a popular choice that combines the convenience of an expandable hose with improved durability. This hose promises to expand up to 3 times its original length when filled with water, and then contract back to a compact size for easy storage. During our testing, we were impressed by how light and easy to handle this hose was. When empty, it's incredibly compact, making it a breeze to carry around the garden or store in small spaces. Once we turned on the water, the hose expanded quickly and smoothly to its full length, which was convenient for reaching distant parts of the garden without having to drag a heavy full-length hose around. The Flexi hose comes with a multi-pattern spray nozzle, which we found to be a versatile addition. The nozzle offers 8 different spray patterns, from a gentle mist for delicate plants to a high-pressure jet for cleaning tasks. We appreciated this range of options, as it eliminated the need for separate attachments for different watering needs. One of the standout features of the Flexi hose is its no-kink design. Throughout our testing, we never experienced any kinking or tangling, even when maneuvering around tight corners or garden obstacles. This made watering tasks much more efficient and less frustrating compared to traditional hoses that tend to kink easily. The hose is constructed with a durable latex core and covered with a tough polyester fabric. This combination seemed to hold up well during our testing period, showing no signs of wear or leaks. The solid brass fittings also impressed us with their quality and leak-free performance. Number 3. Flexzilla Garden Hose SwivelGrip. Taking the third spot on our list is the Flexzilla Garden Hose SwivelGrip, a hose that combines innovative features with reliable performance. Right from the start, we were impressed by the unique bright green color of this hose, which not only looks appealing, but also makes it easy to spot in the garden. The standout feature of the Flexzilla hose is its swivel grip technology. This innovative design allows the grip to rotate independently from the hose, which we found incredibly useful when connecting and disconnecting the hose from spigots or attachments. It significantly reduced the twisting and potential kinking that often occurs with traditional hose connections. During our tests, we were consistently impressed by the Flexzilla's flexibility. Even in cold weather, the hose remained pliable and easy to maneuver. This flexibility, combined with its lightweight nature, made it a joy to use around the garden. We could easily navigate around plants, trees, and garden furniture without worrying about damaging the hose or our greenery. The Flexzilla is made from a special hybrid polymer that gives it excellent kink resistance. Throughout our testing, we rarely experienced any kinking, even when coiling and uncoiling the hose repeatedly. This feature alone saved us a lot of time and frustration compared to traditional garden hoses. Another aspect we appreciated was the hose's ability to lay flat when not pressurized. This made it easy to pull through the garden without catching on obstacles. When we were done watering, the hose coiled up neatly for storage without retaining memory, which can be a common issue with some hoses. The Flexzilla also impressed us with its durability. The abrasion-resistant outer layer held up well against dragging over concrete and gravel. The anodized aircraft aluminum fittings are corrosion-resistant and provided leak-free connections throughout our testing period. Number 2. Bionic Steel Garden Hose. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Bionic Steel Garden Hose, a product that truly impressed us with its unique design and exceptional durability. This hose stands out from the crowd with its stainless steel construction, promising unmatched strength and longevity. When we first unboxed the Bionic Steel hose, we were immediately struck by its sleek, metallic appearance. The hose is constructed from 304 stainless steel, which gives it a premium look and feel. Despite its metal construction, we were pleasantly surprised by how lightweight and flexible it was, making it easy to maneuver around the garden. One of the most impressive features of the Bionic Steel hose is its incredible resistance to damage. During our testing, we subjected it to various challenging conditions, dragging it over rough concrete, leaving it out in the sun for extended periods, and even accidentally running it over with a lawnmower. The hose emerged from all these trials without a scratch, living up to its Bionic name. The kink-free design of this hose is truly remarkable. No matter how we twisted or bent it, the Bionic Steel hose refused to kink. This feature alone saved us significant time and frustration compared to traditional garden hoses that tend to kink at the slightest provocation. We were also impressed by the hose's performance in extreme temperatures. Whether we used it on hot summer days or chilly mornings, the Bionic Steel hose maintained its flexibility and didn't become too hot to handle, which can be an issue with some metal products. The solid metal fittings on the Bionic Steel hose provided secure, leak-free connections to our spigot and various attachments. We appreciated the thoughtful addition of rubber washers, which ensured a tight seal and prevented any water loss at the connections. 1. Hoselink Retractable Garden Hose Reel. Taking the top spot on our list of the best water hoses is the Hoselink Retractable Garden Hose Reel. This innovative product combines the convenience of a retractable hose with superior quality and thoughtful design features, making it stand out as the ultimate watering solution for any garden. From the moment we installed the Hoselink Retractable Garden Hose Reel, we were impressed by its sturdy construction and sleek design. The mounting bracket is made of high-quality materials and was easy to install securely on our wall. The reel itself feels robust and well-built, giving us confidence in its long-term durability. One of the standout features of this hose reel is its automatic retraction system. With a gentle tug, the hose smoothly retracts back into the reel, eliminating the need for manual coiling. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures that the hose is neatly stored away after each use, preventing tangles and extending the life of the hose. The hose itself is made from high-quality, flexible material that resists kinking and tangling. Throughout our testing, we never experienced any issues with kinks or reduced water flow, even when fully extended. The hose also features Hoselink's patented no-burst connectors, which provided leak-free connections every time we used it. We were particularly impressed with the 180-degree swivel function of the reel. This allowed us to easily direct the hose to different areas of our garden without having to move the entire unit. The spring-loaded locking mechanism is another thoughtful feature, allowing us to lock the hose at any length, which was particularly useful when watering at various distances from the reel. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.